Holy shit. 2 trees just broke in half. That was one hell of a wind that just went through. Now all we have to do is just wait for the next one to break down. Wow. Take a look at that. Let me see if I can zoom in. Look how thick that stump is. And just blew that tree complete over the street. Nobody can drive through. And I think that tree even hit a couple of cars. So now you can see a little bit better. But unfortunately, that tree and that one right there are both laying across the street. And also this big one right here is laying over 2 cars. Sure if we can see. Yeah, you can see one of the cars right now. And right there is another car too, but we can't see that too well. Or maybe, no, not possible. It's amazing what happens right in front of your door. Feuerwehr is already here. But as you can see, they do not have the right equipment. They're going to need a crane to get that tree off the roads. This is going to be cool. So now a little bit of sunlight is coming in. First tree is already trimmed down. Just the main stem needs to be taken apart. But that second tree, that's going to be a big problem. Looks like that they're going to need a crane to come and help with that. Now they are lifting it up. But who knows what's going to happen on the other side where it is laying on the car. Well, now it's the next morning, 7:30 in the morning. Everything is quiet except for some workers over there on that repair, what they're doing over there. But they've been working there since about 2 or 3 months now. But this is going to be interesting. Everything is all chopped down. As we can see. But that means that the city workers will probably have to come and pick up all of the lumber and they're going to have to do some repair work there. Oh man. But what would interest me is what damage did the 2 cars receive. I hope that it's not too much.